Good morning. Yeah, just another quick update. I'm in Japan now 3 days, and overall, I think I'm starting to get used to it, and I think I'm starting to figure out the public transport and all of that. Well, no, yesterday I went to the Shibuya crossing, and it's quite an experience. There's a lot of people there. It's a tourist attraction as well. And but I went at around 8 o'clock when it wasn't that busy, and by around 10 o'clock it was absolutely more or less dead. Like, no matter how much you record and how much you want to put into words, you'll never be able to really capture what it's really like there in Shibuya. But it's packed, and that was the Japan that I wanted to go and see. My mobile phone provider, what's it, Clear Mobile, cut off my my Wi-Fi. Well, yeah, they cut off my 3G Wi-Fi, whatever you want to call it, because it was capped at €30, and now that I'm over it, they just said no more. So yesterday I was walking around Shibuya with no internet, and so today I just found out that the hostel provides a mobile Wi-Fi as well for €5 a day. So yeah, you can't, don't get lost without it. However, I heard a rumour that Shibuya, what's the neighbourhood council, provides a free Wi-Fi for like an hour, and then you have to keep logging in and logging out. But yeah, I didn't get home yesterday until the last train, which was around 11:30, because public transport here ends at midnight sharp, so I was told. So just the plan for today is a bit of go-karting, visit Shinjuku for a bit of shopping, and yeah, that's it really. Another hot, sweaty day, but look, it is what it is. Enjoy it for what it is. And then my stomach's still in bits. I didn't get to sleep until what, 2:30. Woke up at 4. Then went back to bed at around 7, woke up again at 10. But I don't know, this stomach bug is lasting quite a long time. So yeah, I took a wrong turn there at the train station and ended up by the bay, and there's this nice little spot here for all the tourists to come and check out the view of the ocean. And there's also a little small Statue of Liberty monument here as well, and this is called Odaibe, and there's a Aqua City over here and a Toys R Us. And the heat is just mad. It's 33 degrees today, and it's just sweating buckets. So yeah, I wasn't expecting that there, that Gundam statue doing its own little routine. But it's mad. Nice little surprise. So now, looking at the time, I was planning on going to Shinjuku, do a bit of shopping, but I don't think I'll have time, so I'm just going to meet Alexander in Akihabara and get ready for the go-kart. And that should be the day mostly sorted. Oi, so we just got here to the go-karting place. Turns out it's near the hostel, around like 15-minute walk. Got here an hour earlier, just waiting for Alexander and Monkey go-kart. So they said I'm not allowed to bring the phone, but I am allowed to bring GoPro, and they'll do all the recordings for me and all of that. But look, I'm absolutely sweating, tired. My feet is aching, my belly's in bits, but this is it, another one off the bucket list.